Here's an easy trick to solve function questions in your maths IGCSE calculator exam. So let's say they gave you the function y equals 3 over 10 times x to the power of 3 negative 2x. So they say plot a graph of this function, or they say complete the table. So here's a table, and you see they have missing variables, and you just need to complete them. And one way of doing this that many students do is take this function, put that in the calculator, put the values of x there, and find y. That's very time consuming. You have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You don't have that much time in the exam, and these questions are only 2 or 3 marks. They haven't given space for calculating. So what you have to do is take your calculator, go to number 4 table in mode. So click number 4. You have fx. This is the function. So you need to write this function into the calculator. So you have variables here, yeah, and if you look closely, we have the variables a, b, c, d, e, f, x, y, and m. So they're purple up top. So we click alpha, and then whichever button there is with the variable we need on top of it, we click that button. So 3 over 10 times x, 3 over 10 times alpha, and we have this button which has x over it, so we click that x, and then we have 3. Okay, that's cube minus 2x. So it's asking us where we want to start. So our table is starting at negative 3 and it's ending at 3. So start negative 3. End is 3. Now it's asking the step. The step basically means the difference between each variable. So we can go with 1, but for that we won't get negative 1.5 because it's gonna go negative 3, negative 2, then negative 1. Sorry, that's the negative 1. Okay, so we're gonna skip out this integer completely, and even if we do, that's fine, but I'm just saying for reference. Okay, if we needed to calculate this, so we can go 0.5. So it goes 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5. So we're gonna go 0.5, and there we go. It has given us the table. So if you look closely over here, 3 has negative 2.1. So fx is y. So negative 3 is negative 2.1. Negative 2.1. Negative 2.5, we don't need that. Negative 2 is 1.6. Moving on, negative 1 is given, and as you can see, it is correct. Negative 1 is 1.7. So that means we are uh, going in the right direction. So that's negative 1.7, and then 3 is 2.1. So there you have it, your completed graph table. So using this table, you can actually make the graph to solve the graph type questions. So use this trick in your next exam.